Hello everybody.
Hey.
Hey.
Alright, for today's class, I'm going to teach you all how to make a brunch favorite, chicken and waffles.
Yes.
For the chicken part, we're going to be using some raw chicken tenderloins. And for breading, we're going to use flour, eggs, and seasoned breadcrumbs. And for the waffle part later on, we're going to be using waffle mix, vegetable oil, water, and eggs. But it's gonna be for later. Alright everybody, I think we both know the drill by now. Before we start, let's see who today's speaks helper is.
Direct carry.
Darrell.
Direct carry.
You're up.
You up?
Come on.
You go cook.
Come on, cook.
Go
Go,
cook.
go.
No, we cook chicken.
Alright Darrell. Alright Darrell. Let's start by breading the chicken.
The chicken.
Oh.
Yeah. Alright, first we grab our tender. And we coat it in the flour.
After.
Next we place our tender onto the egg wash.
Good.
Then lastly, the breadcrumbs.
Who forgot today?
We place it on this plate.
Come on, Darrell. No. Go back. Go back.
For me, coffee.
He'll show you how to do one. Come,
You
Darrell.
have to do it.
Darrell, come.
You have to do it.
Alright, first grab this chicken. Now put it in the flour.
After that.
Gentle.
This is my bad.
Good.
Now dip it in the eggs.
It's good, DK.
Good job, DK.
Yeah, good job.
There you go.
Now the breadcrumbs.
Okay. That's it.
How are you? Okay.
And the pray. Good.
Her name is Teresa? Your name Teresa? It's her name.
You want
Alright. Now we're gonna put our chicken into the air fryer.
Hold it tomorrow. I make
Oh,
coffee.
no, that's
I make it.
Now it's an old.
Tomorrow.
No, I always have this thing.
Oh,
Yeah. Tomorrow.
Plate. Okay, you place four strips at a time. I'm in here. Then we place it in the air fryer. Leaving it in for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, now for the waffle part of the lesson. Let's see who's gonna help me with this one.
Mola Boulevard. Hey!
Alright. Let's make our waffles.
Ah, this is waffle. Like a breakfast waffle.
Yeah. You like waffle, huh? Yeah.
Oh,
There goes Noah.
Well, again, bad boy again.
There goes
no, es como para ese side.
Then bring it back.
There goes
What
Noah.
am I doing?
Okay, first we pour in our waffle mix.
Matthew's fighting to get it back inside.
Next we take an egg. And crack it. And open it here.
Like
I'm going to crack coffee. Make coffee. I make it.
Hey.
Good job.
Good job.
Is it good or not?
Good job. Good job. Give her a clap for it. Give her a clap.
Not picking.
Will you stop
Next
saying
we add in our oil.
yeah, that's safe.
¿Te boté?
No.
Antes se salí no ves ahí, no ves. Ah, antes de la boca.
No. Lastly we add the water.
What?
Now you.
Oh, tío.
Thank you.
Oh, oh.
Now, we'll grab our whisk
Oh, he's spacing out.
Yeah.
and mix it all in.
Wake up.
Oh, wow.
It's gonna thunderstorm.
Okay, Shabbat.
Yeah,
No, stop waiting. Just stop waiting.
Mix it all in, like so.
Okay.
Look at Brian.
You start.
He's probably tired. Are you
Very
tired,
tired.
Robert?
You're sleepy.
Yeah, I am.
I was tired.
Me too.
Make sure you don't rush it.
No, I try too hard.
That chicken smells good from here.
Right, now?
That's all. Let me get
Ah, pon en there.
Yeah, scoop up a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Batter.
Oh,
Pour it on. Pour it into our iron.
okay.
Be sure not to fill out too much.
Que be a little bit at the.
Yeah.
Now close that.
Huh?
And now press the button.
No, that's a light.
Ah, so let me know.
That's a light.
Okay.
Plug in.
Okay.
You want to cook?
That's okay.
How could be off?
With the light?
Yeah,
Light is
that I.
off.
Oh, what's done already?
You open it up. Take our waffle out.
That's not.
Hey, sweetie.
That's why I had the syrup, but there.
No, you have to. I have to.
How funny.
Alright, more.
At the one.
Pour.
Yeah.
Pour it into here. Not too much.
Is it good at that?
A little more.
Smells like a sweet guy from,
Okay, no.
Good?
from that.
Or need more? Or
No, no,
need
we're
two?
good.
Ah, okay, you get close.
The one at once.
Did you just have a weak one?
Alright, ready? Chicken is done.
Chicken stuff. So there's no.
So we're gonna take it out. And using our tongs, place the chicken. Alright.
I make it.
Gotta make sure the chicken's fully cooked.
I make it. I make it.
As
I
well,
make
see, the chicken is white on the inside.
Make coffee.
The chicken
It's not,
I make
if
it.
it's not pink, you're good.
I two.
Why the chicken fat?
Two. I'll do. Regular.
Now we take our chicken out of the air fryer. Put on our next 4 strips. Next 4 strips. And then for another 20 minutes. Alright. You take our plate. Put in one
I can put it
put in one of our tenders.
Have a soup then.
And 2 of our waffles. And just like that, you got some delicious chicken and waffles ready for brunch.